Ayun guys, it's another day. Yes guys, after a couple of rainy days guys, we can see again the sunshine. Happy morning guys. Ayan guys. Ayan, these are my lady fingers. Ayan, yung okra ko guys. Lumaki na siya. Ayan. Ayan. And the other side as well. Yun, namatay. Ayan. Ayan. My lady fingers with the okra. Ayan.